Book of Heaven, Volume 12, February 27th, 1919. In the divine will, there is no hindrance for the love of God. Continuing in my usual state, blessed Jesus, in coming, almost always calls me into his will to repair or to substitute for the acts of creatures in a divine manner. Now, on coming, he told me,
"My daughter, what stench emanates from the earth? I can find no place for myself, and because of the stench, I am forced to flee from the earth. You, however, can make for me some sweet-smelling air that might be suitable for me. And do you know how? By doing what you do in my will. As you do your acts, you will form for me a divine air, and I will come to breathe it, and will find a point of the earth for me. And since my will circulates everywhere, everywhere will I feel the air that you will make for me, and it will break for me the bad air that the earth sends me."
After a little while, he came back and added,
"My daughter, how much darkness! It is such that the earth seems covered with a black mantle, to the point that they can no longer see. They have either become blind or have no light in order to see. And I want not only divine air for me, but also light. Therefore let your acts be continuous in my will, so you will make not only air for your Jesus, but also light. You will be my reflector, my reverberation, the reflection of my love and of my very light. Even more, I tell you that as you do your acts in my volition, you will erect tabernacles. Not only this, as you keep forming thoughts, desires, words, reparations, acts of love, many hosts will be unleashed from you because they are consecrated by my will. Oh, what a free outpouring my love will have! I will have free field in everything, no more hindrance. As many tabernacles as I want, so many will I have. The hosts will be innumerable. At each instant we will communicate each other together, and I too will cry out, 'Freedom! Freedom! Come all into my will, and you will enjoy true freedom.' Outside of my will, how many hindrances does the soul not find? But in my will she is free. I leave her free to love me as she wants. Even more, I tell her, 'Lay down your human guises, take the divine. I am not stingy and jealous of my goods. I want you to take everything. Love me immensely. Take all my love, make it your own. My power, my beauty, make it your own. The more you take, the happier your Jesus will be.' The earth forms few tabernacles for me. The hosts are almost numbered. And then the sacrileges, the irreverences that they do to me. Oh, how offended and hindered is my love. In my will, instead, no hindrance. There is not a shadow of offense. And the creature gives me love, divine reparations, and complete correspondence. And she substitutes together with me for all the evils of the human family. Be attentive, and do not move from the point at which I call you and want you.